Hi guys, today I want to show you my lightweight camping stool. This perfect little stool is lightweight, weighs about a pound. It's made out of steel, so it's very durable. The weight capacity is 600 pounds. And the best part is that it's over 17 inches high. So you're not like crouching down when you're sitting on it. You can see that you don't have to bend your knees up to your chest to sit on this. This little stool folds up real nice and it's lightweight, is great for fishing, gardening, traveling, beach trips, picnics, camping, hiking. If you need to sit and do work in your house, it's great all the way around and I highly recommend it.